I hope I'm live. Wait, let me check. Mhm. So, how are you guys? How you doing? Apparently, markets are not doing that great. Though still we are here, still we are resilient, and at these times we never, left leave the market or like we have to be diamond hands these times. So let's quickly go through Bitcoin, what it's doing. So it is consolidated again. I will show you what happened here in this week. ये जो spike था नीचे जो एक also there is a 55 moving average going on and it just touched it and bounced back to our range again and it is still consolidating in this range. And let's see, आज Friday है, Sunday को close होगा, and where it will close, and that will define the further trend of the market. If it closes below this box we have created, so we can see that a further decrease in Bitcoin price. If it close above it, we can see that it may consolidate and in future maybe break out. So let's check out other altcoins as the show is about altcoins. So this is like a weekly May altcoin market are doing. These are Binance coins actually. So you can see that on an average 20 to 25% weekly down here. And आज we have seen a good bounce, a good bounce. जो short term trading करते हैं लोग, they have good opportunities today and maybe even made some gains, I hope. And so, but long term trend is still bearish, and there and the longs which you have take in these sort of situations, there are very likely you get stopped out because the overall trend which is in weekly in monthly is bearish. तो आप उसका एक बहुत ही छोटा मूव ट्रेड करो. तो इट इज बेटर कि अगर इफ यू सी एनीथिंग बुलिश मूव्स है तो आप उससे शॉर्टर साइड ज्यादा प्ले करने की कोशिश करो इंस्टेड ऑफ लॉन्ग्स, and that has more probability of your success. As like you see any bounce, then you should like short at some resistance and stuff, so which can help you generate some short term gain in this kind of market, right? So इसके अलावा I want to show you अभी I would love to tell you what this happened, like why this happened. We I have written a very good thread on yen carry trade, which is sort of situation happened in global markets, and it doesn't only contributed in fall of Bitcoin, but also global markets like Indian stock market. You can see here, this fall here. You can see this fall. Even even if we check SP 500, you can see this. It doesn't only affected crypto markets, it affected markets overall. And I want to show you one index. If you want to track equities now, I want to show you this. This is an ETF which is used by traders to track overall health of the equity markets. अब इसमें ये ETF है, बेसिकली यूएस में ट्रेड होता है नास्डैक में. तो इट इज अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ equities from around the world. तो अगर आपको एक ग्लोबल इक्विटी मार्केट का पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू बनाना है ना, तो दिस इज द ETF. यू कैन टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ दिस नेम, आई शेयर MSI ACWI, एंड टैग इट इन योर चार्ट एंड कीप ट्रैक ऑफ इट, अगर आपको मतलब ग्लोबल इक्विटी मार्केट्स के बारे में भी देखना है, बिकॉज वन इफेक्ट्स द अदर, राइट? एंड सेफर टू रिस्कर एसेट की उसमें देखें हम पिरामिड में, तो बिट आफ्टर क्रिप्टो उसके अबव स्टॉक्स आता है, राइट? एंड मनी मूव्स फ्रॉम सेफर टू रिस्कियर एसेट्स जैसे जैसे इकोनॉमिक कंडीशंस रहती है. तो लेट्स ओपन इट अगेन एंड मूव ऑन. So let's understand yen to carry trade and what happened. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल क्या होता था पहले, लाइक जो जापानीज इंटरेस्ट रेट है वो बहुत ही हमेशा लो पे चलता था. इट वाज अ डिफ्लेशनरी इकोनॉमी एट सम पॉइंट, जहाँ पे इफ यू बोरोड मनी यू विल यू नो लाइक उनका जो इंटरेस्ट रेट है वो माइनस में था, मीन्स यू विल मेकिंग मनी बाय बोरोइंग मनी. तो दैट वाज द सिचुएशन इन जापान few years back. Now they have started increasing their interest rate. सो रिसेंटली अभी जो इंटरेस्ट रेट चल रहा था वो 0.001 चल रहा था जापान में, 0.1 चल रहा था. एंड व्हाट दिस फॉरेन इन्वेस्टर्स यूज्ड टू डू, दे यूज्ड टू बोरो मनी फ्रॉम जापान, कन्वर्ट इट इनटू US डॉलर्स एंड पुट इट इन इक्विटी मार्केट्स, ग्लोबल मार्केट, जहाँ पे उन्हें 5% 10% का रिटर्न मिलता था. उसमें से दे रिटर्न सम इंटरेस्ट टू जापानीज एंड enjoy the profits. अब क्या हुआ इन लाइक अराउंड दिस dates, fifth, 5th or 4th August, that Japanese increased 6th August, Japanese increased their interest rates to 0.25%, which strengthened the yen against dollar. तो दो चीज हो, एक तो इंटरेस्ट रेट बढ़ गया, दूसरा जो येन था डॉलर के अगेंस्ट, पहले बिफोर 6th अगस्त इट वाज लाइक $1 इज इक्वल टू 100 येन, बट आफ्टर 6th अगस्त इट बिकेम $1 इक्वल्स टू 90 येन. तो येन गॉट स्ट्रोंगर अगेंस्ट डॉलर, राइट? तो उसकी वजह से दे हैव टू, लाइक दीज ग्लोबल बिग मनी had to sell their positions and square off all their positions and return back the money, जिसमें उन्हें लॉस भी हुआ. If we, I have done a sample calculation, let's understand this, right? So there are major sell-off, and investor who borrows, 1,000 1 million yen at 0.1% interest from Japanese, it converts to 10,000 yen, $10,000, right? And he invests $10,000 in equity market with the average 5% return. Good deal. So he earning $500 on those. So after interest rate hike, the Japanese bank raises interest to 0.25%, and the yen appreciates in that to 9 to like against $1 it is now 90 yen instead of 100 yen जो पहले हुआ करता था. तो investor now need to repay first of all those 0.15% extra, राइट? जो उनका हो जाता है 1,02,500 येन, है, एंड दैट इन डॉलर टर्म्स कन्वर्ट्स टू आपका जो उनका रिटर्न मिला के, अब उनका जो प्रॉफिट था जो दे अर्न फ्रॉम ग्लोबल मार्केट्स, इट वाज लाइक $10,500. एंड नाउ इफ वी लाइक convert it into yen, earlier, before 6th August, it would have become 1,500,000 yen, right? But let's see what's the situation. Let me open the calculator. So, so 90. So the conversion is now 9 45,000 yen something. ठीक है 945,000 yen something. So अब इसे माइनस करते जो इनका ओल्डर कन्वर्जन होता 6 अगस्त से पहले. So it would be uh, 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 mm, hmm, mm, minus 55,000 yen का इन्हें लॉस हुआ होता. ठीक है. And that's why we have seen that major sell off, instant sell off in the markets, and it pushed the market down. But this was a very like you know a small event, and which and it is very hard to see that how it will affect the markets in long term. Though अभी भी अगर वैसे हम साइकिल्स के हिसाब से देखें तो मार्केट्स आर फॉलोइंग व्हाट दे हैव टू फॉलो, दे आर अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर साइकिल्स. तो अभी भी चीजें वैसी ही चल रही है. लेट्स सी इफ देयर आर एनी ब्लैक स्वान इवेंट कम्स अप एंड सितंबर में देयर इज फेड मीटिंग. तो लेट्स सी. एंड आल्सो लाइक एक बड़ा यू नो इंटरेस्टिंग कोट है लाइक सेल इन मार्च एंड गो अवे एंड कम इन सितंबर. Okay, so I believe that after September, like there will be a continuation in Bitcoin rally, and we can also see altcoins strengthen. The relative strength of Bitcoin against other assets have fallen right now within after this yen carry trade thing happened, and there is weakening, so we can see that जो trend अपना और bearish होता जा रहा है. So if you have USDT and stables, to keep it safe for now. If you have a good amount of it, you can DCA. If you have limited amount of it, hold it for some time. And instead of trying to predict bottom, जब market थोड़ा bounce हो, राइट, या फिर अपना ट्रेंड चेंज करा है, रिवर्सल के साइंस दिखाए. नाउ यू हैव टू सी दिस कंसिस्टेंट विद बिटकॉइन. जब बिटकॉइन एंड आपके कॉइन्स जो है एक रिवर्सल दिखाएं, देन यू नीड टू टेक एंट्रीज बिकॉज दोज विल बी सेफर एंट्रीज फॉर योर मनी, right? So I guess that was it for this show. If you have any question and doubt, you can reach me on Twitter, WhatsApp, everywhere my contacts are available. So I guess till then I'll see you next Thursday. अभी आज Friday हो गया because Thursday I had some personal reasons. So like from now Monday and every Monday we'll have a airdrop related and general crypto related live by Rishabh, and I'll be doing this trading related analysis sort of stuff on Thursdays, every Thursdays 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. के बीच में. And I'll update you accordingly in the WhatsApp group. You can see the announcement section there, and I'll share like before half an hour that I'll be doing live or he'll be doing live, so stuff like that. So